to be different from everyone else.
To be original and be yourself.
You follow the beat of your own drum. You don't follow the herd. You don't do what everybody else does. That's what's going to make you unique. You stick to your goals and your dreams and not everybody else's, and you live for yourself.
Hi, my name is Marlene Suno, and I am this year's ASB president.
Hey Spartans, I'm Nayeli Rodriguez and I'm this year's ASB vice president.
Hi, I'm Cassandra Sanchez and I'm your ASB Attorney General.
Hey guys, my name is Diana Dasher and I'm your ASB secretary. This year's school theme is Follow the Bee Challenge. Each month, we will pose a different challenge to the student body that focuses on different aspects of students' personalities.
Our purpose is for our students to be reflective on themselves and the community around them.
Our objective this month is for Chula Vista High School to become a place where we embrace each other's differences and uniqueness.
Mr. Vargas is unique because he's a rapper on the side.
And Miss Wheatley is unique because of her sense of humor, and she has completed the 5-peak challenge that the after-school program is attempting.
When I was born, my parents wanted to give me an interesting middle name, so my middle name is Airplane. So I'm Janice Airplane Gilmore, which is kind of weird. That's unique.
Our friendship is unique because we met the first day of school.
Something that makes me unique would probably be my personality because I'm a really fun and energetic person.
As Ralph Waldo Emerson said, to be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you someone else is the greatest accomplishment. So this month, we challenge you to be you.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Alvaro Bassett. 3 words to describe myself. I'm kind, I'm happy, and I'm fun.
Kind, compassionate, and bright.
I'm positive, kind, and I'm very social.
I'm insane in a good way, artistic, and I am original, aka unique.
Dashingly handsome, debonair, worldly,